Polymerization. Let us understand the process of polymerization. Polymers are large molecules made up of simple units called monomers. Many monomers combine to form a long chain called a polymer through the process of polymerization. The links holding the repeating monomers together are chemical bonds. Monomers can be linked in straight chains, also called linear chains, or they can be cross-linked to form a polymer. Some of them have branches. The monomers that form a polymer may be all of the same kind. For example, ethylene molecules form new bonds with each other to form polyethylene. In some polymers, for example nylon, the monomers are of different kinds. Many molecules that are important to life are actually polymers. Many carbohydrates and proteins are large polymers. DNA, which forms the genetic material and controls cell activity, is a giant polymer.